everyone, Happy New Year. It's my first day this year at work, and my first client in the new year, and my first challenge. Yes, she gave me a big challenge. She is right now dark brown, I will show you in a second, and she decided to be, guess what, platinum blonde. But thank God she gave me some time. My deadline is in March, where it's her big birthday. So hopefully we will be able to do it. Today we start with, okay, let me show you my client. Okay, this is Caroline.
Hi.
And this is her hair, like we see, is a dark brown, and she decided to go platinum black. So what I'm gonna use first, I think I'm gonna use So Color Coat with 20 volume, just to rid of the old color, and then my next step might be color Sync Anti-Yellow, just for a couple of minutes to kill the yellow, and then probably highlights using Light Master, my best friend. And we'll see what's going to happen. So let me start our challenge. Hey. Hello, we're coming back after 25 minutes having cold with 20 volume. We can see that lifted nice, but it's still kind of yellowish orangey, so I decided to put for like a couple of minutes anti-yellow color Sync toner, just to kill these yellow tones, and we'll see what's going to happen. Okay, we are keep going with the highlights. As you can see, I take very small sections to make sure that everything is gonna be nice covered and saturated, so I cannot take more. Okay, like this. You can see through. Yeah, and okay. So remember about the saturation, it's a key. I know that because I had to learn on my own this one. Okay, I don't have to go too much to the scalp because we're gonna put color in between. It's healthy, no damage, no nothing. I don't know if you like it, but I just love it, and hopefully my client too.
Absolutely.
There is nothing better than happy client. Okie dokie. Thank you.